In this video,
we will learn how to make modded colors in GTA 5. In GTA 5, in order to make a modded color, all you need to do is firstly open up the browser of your choice. From the search panel of your browser, type in Rockstar Games, then hit enter. After that, head into the website of Rockstar Games. From here, from the top right hand side, make sure that you're logged into your account, then head to the Cruise tab. After you are inside your Cruise tab, select the crew that you are the founder of. Then head to the three dots beside the crew and click on edit crew. After you are inside the crew, you need to change the crew color in order to make a modded crew color or color. In order to make a modded crew color, from here we can use a website like HTML color codes to view the hex codes of various colors. From here we can just choose the color that we want to add as a modded color. After we have selected it, head into the Cruise tab, right click on the color section at the browser, then head to inspect element. After coming into the inspect element tab, you need to head into this section called crew color, type hidden and value. All you need to do is just change the value to the modded color you want to add, then add either FF or AA at the end depending on the ending value. After that is saved, we can head and save this crew. Now the color is saved. Now we can reload the page, and if our technique worked, we will see a icon like this beside the crew color. After everything is done, you can apply your modded colors by heading into any Los Santos custom. After coming in, scroll down until you find the respray option, then primary or secondary color. Then head to the Cruise tab and the crew color will be here. This is how you can easily make modded colors in your GTA 5 game and enjoy the game as you please. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.